What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we are replacing front shocks on our 2001 F250. We are continuing the quick build on my dad's truck while we're waiting for our white 6-liter to get back. We're getting started right now. But first, before we get this wheel off and get this shock replaced, we did the passenger side already. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, drop your comments down below. Don't forget to check our affiliate links down in the description. Also, don't forget to check out your merch store for your 6.0 bro gear. Okay, so we just have two nuts to remove, bolt down here. I took that out already, so if you can see, the retaining washer on this has bent. A lot of times these get pretty tight or somebody over torqued them. Not to name any names, but a mechanic my dad doesn't go to anymore installed these last, so yeah, don't do this. This is dumb. But anyway, if it does happen, you know, I just put a breaker bar on that side and a ratchet or another breaker bar on this side. I did use this a little today. But I will say, be careful going right to a torque wrench because you can break stuff if it's not at least semi-loose. At least on a bolt that small, I have seen people do that. So just be careful, that's all. I mean, I've broken those with hand tools. Insert video to my 2015 250 when I did their front shocks. That was fun. But anyway, then up top here is the other one right there. Not too hard to get to. Again, just be careful loosening it. He said as he used his torque wrench. One thing to consider is to make sure you can get these parts if they're gonna go bad on you. So the bolts and stuff, it's not a terrible idea to at least have a spare lying around. These are gonna be fun to get off. Basically from here, it's just wrestling and pulling. Make sure, like, you can't see it. I do have a jack stand there. We got the jack itself set up. We also tend to run the tire under here. So if stuff falls, you want to get it kind of under like the frame area. Just safety first, guys, while you're doing this, especially because this will have to kind of bang out a little bit. It's not super fun, but I'm going to try to get you a good shot of that, and I'll be back. Okay, that went a lot better than I anticipated. As you can see, these shocks are a little on the slow side. I mean, I'm not like crushing it to compress them, but they're not super reactive here. I don't think they're terrible. My dad's convinced that they're terrible. I really don't think that they're like shot, in my opinion. But he wanted new shocks, so we're putting new shocks in. So we got the 4100 series of the Bilsteins. I do like Bilstein shocks. To be honest, Josh and I do have a bit of a dispute on this. He feels that they're no better than Rough Country. At least my 5100s I feel were slightly better, but only time's really gonna tell, and I obviously got rid of that truck, so it's hard to tell. But anyway, I do like the 5100s. Prices have gone through the roof. Affiliate links for the 5100s and this, and if I can find Rough Country, which is Josh's favorite shock. I do like Rough Country shocks, don't get me wrong. I just wanted to try something different and experiment a little bit. I will say this, at least the 5100s, I feel it was a marginal difference, in my opinion. But I do feel there was a little bit of a difference. It's hard to explain. Marginal, I will say that. Now, when I got those, the Rough Countries were $200, and I think I could get mine other ones for like $300, so an extra $25 a shock essentially. I thought that was worth it to kind of test it out and see, give something to report back to you guys. So let's see. I know on the other side, this bottom one doesn't want to go in, and it looks like we're gonna have we're gonna have the same issue over here. So I am gonna kind of use sand this metal piece in here down a little bit and take some sandpaper to the inside edge there, and we'll I'll test this a while we're here. Not as bad as the other side, but still not great. So I'm gonna just clean up this. There's some crap on there. Anyway, so we do try to clean stuff up well before we put things back together. I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so up top here, we were having a bit of a hard time getting this on there. We did sand down the place it mounts onto to try to give it a smooth. There is some corrosion up there. But after I got it so far on with that, and obviously the hitting you guys saw, then I just took the nut and pressed it on the rest of the way. And it is on there. This little donut here will smush up a good bit, so don't be concerned when that happens. And then just down here, we are gonna tighten these guys here. Again, don't go crazy. Like just because I'm gonna use a torque wrench, it's really just because I'm being lazy. My socket's down, my ratchet is downstairs. I don't feel like getting it right now because, well, I got a bunch of schoolwork to do, so trying to get things done. But when it's bent, just hold something on this side. Now what I will do, like I said, I didn't crank it down super tight. I know we all enjoy the Ugga Dugga joke, but I do kind of have a thing about putting things back together correctly. There. All right, that is the project there. For anyone that's been watching, we still have free movement here of our brake. That's a good sign because those of you that have watched it, or that video should be out by now anyway. If it isn't, it will be soon. This guy was all seized up. We did wipe this down. The powder coat on the power stop is holding up nicely. We don't have a ton of miles. I did wipe it down, try to keep it semi-clean. But yeah, at the end of the day, it's a truck part. It's going to get dirty. But I figure we try to at least make it look half nice. So yeah, we're good. We're back in business. We're going to get the wheel on and get this truck down. And we're all done. Guys, don't forget affiliate... Oh, my lens is all filthy. Guys, don't forget affiliate... The sun's so bright. Affiliate links for these parts and some others I've used in the past that I recommend for shocks for your F250, whether it be newer or the 99 through 04 like Josh and I have, and my dad actually. Go check those out down below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, check out the merch store for your 6.0 Bro merch. I'll see you in the next upload. YouTube, just a sneak peek at something coming up next. We reached out to the guys over at Blessed Performance, one of the channel sponsors, who, if you didn't know, gives all of you guys a 10% off code. It is an affiliate link, 6.0 Bros. That'll be on the screen. It should already be down in the description. Go check those locations out. 10% off his custom tunes. And he now tunes 7.3s with the SCT device. So those of you guys know this does have larger injectors in, and we are running a tune. I don't like super love it. I did it first, but the more I ran it, the more it was running. Leaves a little something to be desired in my opinion. So we're gonna go get some tunes. Probably just 2 from him. We'll probably get a tow tune and his Eco Beast tune. I really like those on the 6.7. We're not gonna get an all-out race tune for this. That's not what this truck does. We'll get those 2 tunes. So basically a nice street tune and a good tow tune for our 2001 7.3. That stuff's coming up soon. Stay tuned for those things. Thank you guys for your patience. I know I've been slow uploading. School's been a little bit of a killer, but we're getting through it. So just bear with me. We will be back. I'll see you guys next time.